In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Stitch AI to build apps in just 3 minutes. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to turn an idea into a generated app interface using Stitch's prompt-driven workflow. First, open Stitch. Make sure you're on the main dashboard so all of the available project creation tools are visible. A reliable internet connection is helpful here, since Stitch generates previews and loads assets while building your interface. Next, click on App. This tells Stitch that you want to generate an application interface instead of another type of project. You'll enter a clean workspace designed to transform your concept into structured screens, components, and a usable layout. Now, click on Describe Your Design. This opens the prompt section where Stitch gathers your instructions. Think of this as writing a creative brief. The more detailed and intentional your description is, the stronger the first result tends to be, because Stitch uses your input to determine structure, hierarchy, and overall styling. Go ahead and describe the app UI you want to create. Be clear and practical. Mention whether it's for mobile or web. Include the main screens, such as onboarding, dashboard, details, profile, or settings. Specify important components like navigation bars, search, filters, cards, forms, tables, or charts. Add visual direction, including colors, typography, spacing, and overall mood. If you're designing for a specific audience or brand, mention that too. For example, you could describe a mobile productivity app with a clean and minimal style, a top navigation area with search, a task list showing priorities and deadlines, and a floating action button for creating new tasks. The more specific your instructions are, the more accurate Stitch's first version is likely to be. If you click the plus icon, you can also upload reference images or provide a website URL for inspiration. Choose references that clearly demonstrate layouts, spacing, and component styles you want to emulate. If you're using a website, make sure it's publicly accessible and has a consistent visual language. References work best when they support your written prompt instead of replacing it, so keep everything aligned. Once you've finished adding descriptions, images, or URLs, click Generate. Stitch will process your inputs and create a draft interface based on your instructions. This usually takes a moment. When the result appears, review it carefully and see how closely it matches your idea. If something feels off, refine your prompt by clarifying layout decisions, component details, or visual priorities, then generate again for a more refined outcome. That's it. You've transformed a clear description and a few references into a generated app concept in just a few minutes using Google Stitch AI.